Animal love knows no bounds. If this made you smile, please like and subscribe for more. See you!
Oi! Går det bra?
The chicks didn't choose the club life chose them.
Oh, yeah. That's a station that I like. It's called Jazz Covers Pop. I like it. Handsome.
Oh my god.
This is the ultimate speed training session. Turtle, you're still too slow.
Franklin, do you want to ride? Come on. Go, boy. And go for a ride? Okay, sit down.
Mini Rhino realizes his mom is literally his personal bodyguard and Jeep.
Are you fucking serious? Are you serious?
Hidden inside this tree are two baby ruru, one of New Zealand's most special native birds.
They are now 2 weeks old, and the cat and the chickens are all still living in perfect harmony. The chickens still come in here to lay eggs.
See that tiny rhino? Small body, but ready to fight right alongside Mom. Fearless little warrior.
I bet this deer is operating a mobile home service.
They grew up together, but clearly not from the same Wi-Fi network.
Proof that some camouflages are just working flawlessly.
Or a nightmare. Oh. What? Gotta give me
Good work.
Bobby, you can't stay outside with Tina. Come on. Bobby.
Before learning how to be kings of the savannah, they master the art of sharing.
Oh my god, you just farted. You just farted.
This might be the sleepiest snack ever.
Traffic rules have been temporarily replaced with nap time rules. Even a baby fish knows how to do customer service underwater.
Rooster, hey! That's the cutest thing that he does. Rooster, we're over here. Hey, come on. G'day, I'm Giffo.
For some reason, concrete is this cat's favorite thing.
Are you so happy, Parker?
The economy is tough, so Kitten isn't picky about customers.
Sometimes cats are just like humans, spiraling into a mild existential crisis for no reason.
Finding the perfect spot isn't always as simple as it looks.
What are you doing? Oh, you've worked it out.
What have you gotten yourself into? What have you gotten yourself into?
I can't with you.
I have videos of the hand extra damage. They said.
Negotiating with monkeys doesn't always end in a successful deal.
When your XS and XXXL friend meet each other on the farm, preparing a finely chopped salad for a very high-maintenance VIP guest.
This is held with another firm. So let's say I am inactive, but my license is inactive, but it's still here.
Who needs wooden perches when you can have free real estate?
This one that wants to smash my sprinkler also finally realized he could drink from it.
You gotta do it better than that.
Hey, Jake.
Hey.
What the heck are you doing?
Oh, I found all these kitties under the porch, and so I'm just playing with them. Looking for, I don't know if I'm going to keep them or find them homes or what.
You should put your glasses on.
Why?
Life's easier when mom's your personal bodyguard.
Oh my gosh, he's having so much fun. Oh! Okay, well, Mom was unbothered. Couldn't help that one, huh? Oh my gosh, yeah.
Cats don't need to know how something works to enjoy it.
In the wild, every legend starts small and unbelievably cute.
Yeah. Good girl.
Oh, there, it's gone.
Emmy? Na? Wollen Sie nicht bei dir ran?
goodness, Muffin Man. You clumsy boy.
Bro found a unicorn and immediately adopted it as an emotional support fantasy buddy. Fun fact, in monkey law, if you can climb fast enough, it's legally yours now.
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.
Hey, Natalie, how you doing?
Hey guys, Natalie's here.
How are you? That Natalie? You look good today, girl.
How
was your weekend,
Natalie, are you doing something different with
How
your
are
hair? You look great.
Oh, I missed you. Hey, Natalie. Hey, guys, Natalie.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Animals bring so much more than laughter. They bring comfort, love.
Puska har fått oj, 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 oj. Ja, hejsan, hejsan, ja, hejsan, 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 hejsan.
Most of these aren't yours, actually. Some of them are, but like, I know you love all the babies, and that's so sweet, and I'm so proud of you, and I love you so much, but like, that's not yours. It's hers. She obviously doesn't.
And unforgettable moments.
Sienna really turned the river into a premium baby sleep delivery system.
Yeah, carry there. Don't you shake on me. Come here, look. No. What are you going?
You're so amazing.
When Bird prefers high-security sleeping spots with built-in warmth and zero predators.
He's just gonna take a nap. Sit down. Finally.
Estabilizar tus niveles de azúcar 4 semanas. Funciona desde el primer día. Con Lucerna, llévate bien con la diabetes. Nuevo Mega Tubing Extension Jessica. Primera con tecnología Tubing que te da un efecto de extensión.
Minnie Otter shows maximum trust. Just lie there and let Mom handle everything. When Bush Baby's conducting serious research on closed-hand technology. This tiny cub clearly thinks he's a ferocious predator, but to his mama, he's just an adorable little nuisance.
What romance movie are they starring in? I'm curious.
A baby elephant's confidence comes from knowing the whole herd has his back.
All right, guys, the black duck that has been hatching eggs has officially hatched a baby chick. And the baby chick happens to be black too.
Huh?
This caterpillar is a true master of camouflage.
Just sleeping. Come on. King of camouflage. Wake up. Wake up, wake up. Oh my God.
Oh, you have a good guard dog when you come in to see this.
Every neighborhood has that one very curious neighbor.
Oh, I'm afraid. Looks like it snowed in here. See what you did. Oh, Lord.
And that's the amazing world of baby animals. Thanks for watching.
More amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome.
Ow! What are you doing? You little rascal.
friends. If there's one thing animals never fail to do, it's make us smile.
This guy really thinks he can handle a giant mission.
Look at you.
It'll be the toilet paper. Why is it here?
Living his best life. That level of baby elephant chaos is pure serotonin.
What do you see?
This squirrel just hit the corn jackpot.
Is that what he's supposed to swim?
Who doesn't like a heated mattress with a high vibration purr setting?
Hallucine. Non mais j'hallucine. Regardez-moi Stéphane. Mais alors eux.
The squid's survival strategy has become background decoration. He's in full don't notice me mode. The piglets found the slide and immediately invited the whole squad. Feed this quokka once and she becomes the CEO of positivity. Professional escape artist using the snow blanket technique. A baby rhino forgets he's a giant in the making and just acts like a joyful kid.
Mental. Hay da, chợ tiền đó nè.
Crumble decided the couch was the perfect place to start a family.
Junior! Oh, the nerve!
You comfortable? Oh, you're falling off, sweetheart. Get a bulldog, they said.
Yep, these donkeys look strange with their long ears, but I'll take them.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Baby lion walking like, yes, Mom, I'm coming. No need to raise your voice.
Molly has the whole house to choose from, and somehow the stairs still win. This is either true love or impressive tolerance. Sometimes pets and their humans become a little too alike.
Very silly. Yeah, the rabbit's chasing her. Oh! You hear?
There she goes. Whoopsies.
Get out of here! Oh no! Oh no!
Dexter,
Bitsy! Hi! Come here! Bitsy!
Happy birthday to you.
Gonna eat your cake, Pip?
This is what happens when you underestimate the final boss in mini form.
Oh เขย่าใหญ่เลยเบี่ยงเล็กเอาลูกออกเขย่าเขย่าขนุนใหญ่เลย
Spicy.
Oh, whoa! Someone's got anger issues already.
I think that's coconut.
The dog wanted a peaceful nap, but instead she got a kid. Pretty sure Horse is thinking his tail is messed up by a big fly.
Go on the slide. Summer, slide. Summer, hop. Summer.
Some bears catch fish. This one's trying to upgrade to a fishing vessel.
Dogs make great guard dogs, but sometimes things don't go exactly as planned.
I'm trying to act big, showing you can push rocks around. Hey.
When you're too small to handle life, so you just become a backpack.
Mommy! Mama! 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 Ma! 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 Mom! Mom!
Aí agora, Gonçalo, hora de dormir, vem. Deixa ele passar Nutella. Nutella. Deixa ele pra gaiola. Vai, filho. Deixa ele. Boa noite, filho.
Bloody hell.
Miren a Orión, acá estamos todos nosotros acá, nuestra familia está acá. Y Orión se fue por allá a sentarse con otra familia como si fuera parte, y yo no sé ni siquiera quiénes son esas personas. Why is she so fast?
She's running on 1% battery and still refusing to charge.
He's gonna do it again.
For every golden retriever, fun always comes first.
You guys want to see something cute? Hi.
Come on, Bobby. Come on, Bobby. Come on.
Height difference? No problem. Friendship comes with adjustable settings.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Look at him.
Nobody can say this turtle didn't give it a try. Smile. Let's take a look.
अंदर में बैठ गया पकोटे कितने खाना कोटे नहीं होती हो बन लगी अगर मैं इस पेन दे रही हूँ थैली भी पेन दे ना अगर मैं इतना दूर कर आगे तेरी यार
妹妹，你好皮啊你，你真皮啊你。
She got 20 more, so I mean, I'm gonna let her roll it. Go ahead. Ain't no way.
He may not know the rules, but he definitely knows how to win.
Cause even apex predators need a shoulder to sleep on. Looks like a buddy cop movie we love.
Молодець! Ти боялася баранчиків, іди до мене. Іди. Да, моя дівчина.
This guy's not happy with his round. He's not happy with his round at all. Someone's got to think this is AI, but it ain't.
He's going crazy. He's got the zoomies. Oh, he died.
He's coming for his fish, dude. I'm gonna catch him. Well, right now.
No, no, no. Have fun. The elephant's eating her fun. Oh my god. No.
You are such a good dog. You keep the little baby warm. You keeping her warm. Debbie, you're such a good dog. Yes, you are.
A little confused about what species he belongs to.
Los bomberos versión Santa Tere.
Help me, Debbie! Come on! There's no toys in here for you.
If this dog wants to swim, a little rain isn't changing the plan.
When I want to buy a chair but it costs money. Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're looking at the most heartwarming moments of animals adopting other animals.
Most ducks won't chase you, but there's always that one.
I won't bite you. I might nibble a little bit, but I won't bite you hard. Yeah.
Anna Nicole, that is not your mama.
Oh my god. Evan! Christ.
No, thinking a minute. I thought, oh, she was nice as well.
Get it, Shelly, get it.
Belle, baby girl. Ma'am, what are you doing? Did you take out the soda thing so that you had room?